Cindy, Girl with the Grill, and today we're doing buffalo chicken wings on the grill. We're catering a small party today for the football playoffs. Yay! So what I'm doing is we're going to get these on the grill and we're going to do them low and slow for about an hour, and then we're going to put them on the direct flame and crisp them up. So what I've done so far is we've air dried these for about 2 hours in the fridge, and I took them out, and the secret to crispy skin is making sure that the skin on the chicken is completely dry. Whoops. So I'm going to use canola oil today as a binder, and then we're going to season these up. And we spatchcocked a chicken here and then cut it in half. So we have a variety for the party today. We have our about 40 wings we're going to do today, so it's quite a bit. And then we've got a spatchcocked chicken that we cut in 2 pieces. This will give people a healthy choice if they just want white meat or breast meat, which they can just pull and put in warm tortillas or whatever they want to do. And then we've got our... Okay, now that we've put the oil on as a binder, I'm going to season these wings with an AP rub, which consists of salt, kosher salt, pepper, paprika, a little bit of chili, garlic powder, onion powder, and a tiny little bit of sugar in this. We are making buffalo wings today, so we're going to toss these in Frank's sauce once we're done and serve them that way. Those really coated. We're going to be doing them on the Weber kettle today on an indirect heat, and then we're going to put them over the flame so we can get them nice and brown and crispy and wonderful. Then we're going to toss them in the buffalo sauce that I'm going to make, and I'll put all of the seasoning and the buffalo sauce in the description below. Turn them over and do the other side in a sec. We want it really coated. This will give them an amazing color with the paprika and the chili. There's nothing like wings on the grill. Okay. On this chicken, I'm going to use Cattleman's Grill ranchero sauce. I'll put a link below where you can buy this. This is awesome for poultry. And this has got garlic, salt, sugar, onion, and a little bit of lemon in it. So it's perfect for poultry. It's not a strong spice. It'll just give it a wonderful flavor. And we're going to do the spatchcock chickens on the pellet grill. Okay, now that the one side is been seasoned and sat for 10 minutes, I'm going to flip these over and we're going to oil and season the other side. Okay, on this one we spatchcocked and cut this one in half, and we seasoned this with oil and Cattleman's Grill. We're going to do these wings indirectly for about 1 hour. Okay, so when you put the lid on, you want to make sure that the vent is open on the over the wings, on the opposite side of the coals. Okay, and that way the heat will draw across the chicken wings and up through the holes, and it's going to be an amazing cook, right? Okay, guys, we got our wings on, and they are cooking away. They're going to be beautiful. All right, here's our wings. They're charbroiled. They're beautiful. We're ready to toss these puppies in the
Frank's hot sauce that I melted with butter. And we're going to glaze them and put them in a aluminum tin pan. And we're going to take them to our party. These look freaking amazing.
Alright guys, so I have to taste these wings. They're ready for the party, I think. I took it off the grill. They're extremely juicy. There's my dog. They're extremely juicy. They've got a crunchy skin. These are delicious. I think we're ready. Alright guys, this is Sandy, Girl with the Grill. And my wings are a success. We wanted to accomplish a crispy skin, and we've done that. And we did 40 wings on the grill today, and they are perfect. It's so delicious. I can cut that out. This is Sandy, Girl with the Grill. If you like this video, whatever or whoever inspires you, I tell you to go for it. Do what you want. Make it your own. In the meantime, if you like this video, hit subscribe, and I will catch you later. We're off to the party.